Yeah. Oh yeah. I need quit playing. Damn, girl. All right, but yeah. Go.
Just showing y'all, just picked up the engine. It's hooked up to the trans right now. We about to tear down, see what's going on. So we're just looking around. About to take it apart. Got a surprise for y'all. Got a surprise. You ready?
That's why I don't be liking her eating on mine.
Alright, so look. I drained it. Look at that. What is that?
Coolant came out
God
first, and I
damn,
did.
like somebody taking a diarrhea or something. Yeah, but engine mixed up with the coolant real bad. You can tell by the way it's pouring out. Look at the valve cover. So I took it off. Look in the inside. Oh my god. This is terrible. Look at that. So it was getting too milky for me, man. So I basically just ran some water on it, man. Just flush it down a little bit. I couldn't take it no more. So I just grabbed some degreaser and I just, soaped it up. We're gonna tear it down. I was gonna fix it, but I don't know if it's crack block or warped or nothing. So might rebuild it. I don't know. We'll see how bad it is. God damn, it's so thick it won't even come off. Oh well. Look, look how thick it is. God. Mm-hmm. I'm finna make some brownies or something. So, I'm finna go and finish tearing it down. Let's get to it, man. Alright, so let's take off the head. If you can tell, it's still spilling out. Yeah. Them bolts on that tight, Jack. Yeah, I had to cap it off. It would just keep coming, wouldn't stop. Let it drain all day. Well, not, it's just still coming out. And it's thick. What y'all think it is, man? Engine warp or what? I know it's bad already, but damn.
That's time to take all this
So I
off.
broke it down, got the head down, got all the other stuff off.
Take this damn filter
Go ahead,
off.
open this oil filter. Take a look up inside of there.
It's still
Oh
damn.
my god. Get that out of there.
Shit's finna fall. Oh shit.
This engine is over with.
Put this up.
But we're gonna keep tearing it down though. Ooh, wee. How did that even happen?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I need quit playing. Damn, girl. All right, but yeah.
Yeah, look all up in there. That's terrible. So, it's the bottom. Look at that. Look at that. Super thick. Rick James, super thick. Messing up my goddamn bolts. My socket. Look at that.
Messing up my damn.
Oh, shit. This is terrible, guys. So basically, there you go. That's the bottom end. I broke it down. We see the results. Look at that. Oh my god. That's the crank. Look at that. Just terrible, man. Broke it down to the bare bones. We're gonna check it later. That's just me cleaning. If y'all want to see that video, man, let me know. I'll show y'all me cleaning it, man. If y'all like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think, man.